My name is Irungo Houghton. I'm the Amnesty International Kenya Executive Director, and I'm here in Kisii town to learn and listen to Amnesty members, and in particular Amnesty Kisii chapters of Circles of Conscience. We have been very concerned by the recent protests and the violence that we have seen from the police service in terms of stopping legitimate protesters from exercising Article 37 of the Constitution. Of course, that Constitution requires protesters to be non-violent, to essentially provide public issues in a way in which it does not lead to the loss of life or to the destruction of property. It is a good time to be in. It is also a good time to be in Kisii town because less than 1 week ago we saw the conviction of the family members of baby Brighton Sagini, who have been convicted for 40 years, 10 years and 5 years respectively. And we hope that this is a deterrent, a way of stopping child rape, child defilement, sexual and gender-based violence. And we know that with the chapters of conscience here in Kisii, we can work against even issues like teenage pregnancies in our schools. So we ask all residents of Kisii to join Amnesty International, to be part of the Circles of Conscience, to bring their voice, their energy. And in particular, we call for the immediate implementation and establishment of a safe house for young minors, so that we do not have the confusion that we saw with baby Sagini.
We're so gratified that we have this opportunity. Kisii COC has just begun and we are on high ride. We want to move to the next level. We want to take this community to the highest level possible in terms of human rights advocacy. And here with me we have members with Executive Director. We came to welcome him over here and at the same time tell the nation, tell the world that Kisii is ready to move on matters human rights advocacy. And at the same time, we want to collaborate with the county government, national government, and all other stakeholders such that we can be able to bring to rest these issues of gender-based violence, matters to do with child rape, child development, and other aspects of society that take away human rights and that have ridiculed the rights and personalities and the self-esteem of very many people. So that at the end of the day, when we join hands, the society will be very healthy and we shall have the best world to live in, because all of us aspire and desire to be in a world that is happy, in a world where we support one another.